K18 came out with shampoos, so let's review them. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal colour specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film I will be testing out, reviewing and trying out the brand new Detox Shampoo by K18. So if you want to find out more about this shampoo, whether it's good or it's a heap of dirt, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? K18 dropped two different shampoos. So we have the pH balancing shampoo and we have the detox shampoo, and I'm gonna review both of them. But in today's film we are gonna review Detox Shampoo by K18. I'm gonna do this review in two parts. So today we are gonna do the detox shampoo, and then on Sunday we are gonna review the pH maintaining shampoo by K18. So you guys, with no further ado, let me present you with Peptide Prep Detox Shampoo. In this product we do get 250 ml of products, and this product retails for a whopper €45, which is a lot. It is a lot of money for a shampoo, but this is a detox shampoo from K18, and I did review K18 on my channel, so if you want to check this out, I'm going to link it above here. And K18 has been known as a bonding system on steroids. It is very strong, it is very intensive, and it does work wonders. So when it comes to the packaging is very simple. They definitely stuck to that scientific biomimetic hair science kind of look. So it is very simple. It is what it is basically. But I am super excited. But let's talk about this shampoo and let's see what it's gonna do to our hair. This is a cleansing detoxifying shampoo that is also color safe, that is gonna nourish our hair and our scalp. It will provide our hair with clean and healthy scalp. So what K18 believe in is to create a clean canvas. So they want our hair to be really clean, really spotless, without compromising the hair condition. So this is gonna really prep our hair for styling and prep our hair for using the K18 leave-in treatment. This shampoo is gonna banish dirt, oil, metal and hard water buildup in the hair. So you guys, when it comes to this shampoo, this is a detoxifying shampoo you would use once a week. So you wouldn't use that as every wash, you'd use it every other wash, and it will just get rid of any dirt, any buildup, any oil on your scalp, metal. So we'll get rid of metal residue from the hair, as well as any minerals found in hard water. So we're gonna get that clean canvas to work with without compromising the condition. After using this shampoo, we're gonna notice 99% less of product buildup on our scalp, 95% of sebum reduction, and 76% of copper reduction, which is very, very important because, as we all know, metals and minerals, some minerals, but metals in general, are not color safe and they're not safe for our hair, when minerals can actually affect the color of our hair. So I mean, K18 is promising a lot when it comes to this shampoo. So like that, this shampoo is going to cleanse our hair from hard water, and some of the active ingredients in this shampoo are activated charcoal, which is going to absorb excess oil, dirt and sebum. Also, the active charcoal is going to get rid of all the toxins in our hair. Also, we have salicylic acid, which is going to control the sebum production of the hair without stripping the hair from natural nourishment. So, like I said, we're not going to compromise the condition of our hair if we're using a detoxifying shampoo, which is very, very important. Also, we have the K18 peptide, which is going to reduce the loss of protein in the hair. So like that, we're going to have nourished, stronger, detoxified hair. So basically, you would use this once a week in between your pH maintaining shampoo, but we're going to talk about that in the next film. But today I think it's fair if we try this out on our hair, see how it feels, see what it does to my hair, whether it keeps my hair nourished, whether it keeps my hair stronger, and how it works with the K18 leave-in mask. So you guys, let's open this up, let's check the formula. I do not like the big that I don't like that in shampoos. I do prefer when they're just a bit more petite. So let's look at the formula. Let's smell it. Okay, so it is definitely charcoal in it, and as we all know, charcoal is known for everything. We've seen charcoal exfoliators for the scalp, we've seen charcoal toothpaste, we've seen it all. So let me smell this, and we're getting a soft citrusy like scent. And like that, the formula feels very, very light. It disappears very, very quickly. And they say you only do one shampoo with this, so you don't have to follow up and do a second shampoo. And like that, it is color safe, etc, etc. Right, so you guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go off camera, we're gonna shampoo my hair, we're gonna see the results, I'm gonna pop the K18 leave-in treatment, then I'm gonna blow dry it, we're gonna come back and we're gonna conclude everything. So you guys, don't go anywhere. Now you guys, and I am back after shampooing my hair using the Detox Shampoo by K18. And you guys, what can I tell you? First things first, I did do only a one shampoo as it recommended. They said you can do a second one if needed. However, my hair does feel quite cleansed. The shampooing experience was very pleasant, and compared to other detoxifying and cleansing shampoos, this was very, very pleasant. It's like the hair still feels very nourished, however, it does feel really, really clean. Sometimes I find with some cleansing shampoos, the hair can feel nearly overly cleansed and overly clean, like everything is stripped out of it, like all the moisture. We do not get that with this, so this is quite good. But before we're gonna conclude everything, let me grab my K18 leave-in in, because as we all know, that's what you're supposed to do. And I'm just gonna put, this is more than enough for my whole head, and I'm just gonna work that onto my ends, and then we're gonna blow dry the hair. Like literally, K18, that leave-in in treatment mask spreads so well, you don't need much of it, and this is like your bonding, strengthening leave-in in mask. Right, so that spread it evenly, the hair feels beautiful, feels soft. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna dry it off, we're gonna come back and we're gonna conclude, and we're gonna find out if the K18 detoxifying shampoo is good or if it's a heap of dirt. Right you guys, and my hair is dry, so what can I tell you? My hair feels absolutely gorgeous. It feels beautiful. I mean, it does not feel overly cleansed. I feel like the condition of my hair was not compromised when I used the shampoo. The hair feels glorious. There's nice lift to it. It just feels really, really clean and very lightweight, which is very important to me. So you guys, let's talk about the Detox Peptide Prep by K18. When it comes to the detox shampoo for €45, do I think this is quite overpriced? Yes, I do. Do I think it's worth €45? No, I do not. I think €45 is a ridiculous price for 25 mils of product, especially of a shampoo. No matter what shampoo it is, I think this is highly overpriced. However, do I think this detoxifying shampoo is brilliant? I do. I think this is absolutely brilliant, I must say. It is something I will use in my hair, because I mean the results are magnificent, and I've used detoxifying shampoos before, I've used cleansing shampoos before, I've used million shampoos in my hair, but the result and the feel you get with the detoxifying shampoo, it's definitely good to use, because I do believe that we need to create a clean canvas for our hair for everything else to work perfectly. Now, is it for everyone? No, because if the hair is overly compromised, the condition of the hair is oversensitized, that could not work. But I mean, even on my blonde bits, where my blonde bits are highly sensitized and I do need to get my roots done, it felt actually really, really well. So if you have quite sensitized hair, blonde hair, bleached hair, do let me know if you've used this and how it felt on your hair. However, on my mixed condition hair, it actually felt really, really well and really, really lightweight. Obviously, we did use the leave-in mask, which helped a lot. But it's going to be interesting to see how the detox shampoo is going to work with the pH maintenance shampoo, which I'm going to review next week. So tune into my channel on Sunday, because that's when I'm going to drop the review. But when it comes to the Peptide Prep Detox Shampoo by K18, for an overpriced shampoo that removes buildup, removes oil, removes dirt, removes excess of hard water in your hair, I definitely think this is a hit. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media. And of course you guys, please do what? Do take care. Bye.